Replacing the hood dampeners on your Mark II is actually fairly easy. The replacement dampeners are from a Dodge Ram. Yeah, I didn't see that coming either, but thanks to the good folks on the Facebook page JZXowners US, we were able to find out this great information. The same parts and method can be used on both the JZX90 and JZX100 Mark II. Watch the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. All parts and tools used in this video are in the description below. Thanks for watching.